Hi my loves, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today I'm installing the Sensationnel Cloud 9 13x6 HD Lace Wig in the style Glenna. This is what she's looking like fresh out of the box. I got her in the color light ash brown and the shade is gorgeous. Perfect for spring or summer. Now one thing I will say about this wig is she is not big head friendly. Like, look what happened while I was installing the wig. The lace literally ripped. But I took out my sewing kit and fixed that up real quick, and then we were good as new. She comes with a 13x6 parting space, which means you get all this room to customize. Middle part, side part, deep part, whatever you're feeling, go for it. And the HD lace melts into your skin. This is a glueless wig, but me personally, I like for my wigs to be super secure. So, I'm gonna go ahead and install it with my usual install routine. So usually to cut my lace, I use a stick razor, but I couldn't find my razor, so I was just using my scissor in a zigzag motion. And to lay my wig, I use the Red by Kiss Lace Bond Hold Spray. So after I go in with the first layer of lace spray, I spread it out evenly with a popsicle stick, blow dry it until it's pretty tacky, not too dry, and then I repeat the process one more time. And anytime you guys see me using my blow dryer for a wig install, it's on a cool setting. I never use heat for my installs at any point. For this install, I decided not to do baby hairs. One, because I just feel like I'm really over the baby hair phase. I still do it sometimes, but there's just certain colors that I feel just don't need baby hairs, and this is one of those colors for me. Just my personal preference. And I did no customizing to this wig. I didn't pluck it. I didn't do anything. I literally put the wig on my head and installed it. But I am gonna go in with a hot comb to flatten the top and lay it down nice and smooth. The hairline looks really good to me, especially to not have plucked it or did anything extra to it. And there she is, fully installed and serving scalp. Glenna is one of those wigs that you just you look like you stepped right out the salon, going to brunch, going to date night. Just want to feel like that girl, you need Glenna in your life. So if you're thinking about trying this wig, I definitely say go for it. She's beginner friendly, pre-plucked. You don't need to customize or do anything extra to this wig. You literally can install it and go. Let me know in the comments how you guys are feeling about this look. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a slay.